Hey guys, if you're familiar with the crypto market, you probably know how much manipulation goes on. Your portfolio can turn to zero within minutes and then recover partially soon after. It's all controlled by big players. This cycle keeps repeating, and it broke me. They play with people's minds, and I got trapped in it just like many others. By around January 21st, 2025, I had lost almost $30,000. I didn't lose it all at once. I kept trying to recover my losses, putting more money in again and again, and it just kept going downhill. The worst part is that it wasn't even my money. My family had sold our shop, and while we were looking for a new one, that money was parked in my bank account. My dad has a fractured hand and leg. Around 2017 to 2018, he and my uncle were traveling by train when a group of people attacked my uncle with a wicket and hit him on the head multiple times, leaving him unconscious. My dad tried to save him and took him to the hospital. A case was filed, and my dad became a witness in court. Later, those people's families came to our shop to convince my dad to withdraw the case. When he refused, they attacked him again at the shop, breaking his hand, leg, and head with a metal rod. He recovered, but still lives with the fractures. My mom suffers from depression and has tried to take her life multiple times. We were already struggling. My younger brother is still in school. Everyone was talking about Bitcoin and the parabolic move. Influencers were hyping. So, I decided to invest a small amount in strong coins on spot and some in leveraged tokens. They claim these tokens can't be liquidated, but that was the biggest lie and my biggest mistake. At first, when the market was pumping, I saw profits. But when Bitcoin started consolidating, those leveraged tokens dropped by 99%. I thought I could average the price and recover, but it just kept falling. I panicked, sold all of my spot holdings, and put everything into leveraged tokens. That was the first major mistake that destroyed my life. By 2024, all my funds were gone. Then in November 2024, I saw what looked like the start of an alt season. I put in whatever little I had left, hoping this was my last chance to recover. I used low leverage, 2x or 3x. But after the November pump, everything started falling again in December. I didn't book any profits. After losing $30,000, I completely lost it. I remember one day in the shower, I kept hitting my head against the tap over and over, wishing it would just end. I even thought about jumping off the roof. But then I saw a video saying, when everyone is fearful, be greedy. So I tried again. I invested a little more, but the market kept crashing till March 2025. Everywhere online, people kept saying, it's touching the EMA, a big move is coming. I was foolish enough to believe it. I thought Bitcoin alone couldn't help me recover. I needed the alt season influencers were talking about, but it never came. Finally, on October 10th, 2025, everything went to zero again. Another huge liquidation. I lost my final $15,000. Now I'm completely bankrupt. No home, nothing left. Through all this, I started hating crypto more and more. I lost everything: money, hope, and peace of mind. I keep thinking what else I can do to get out of this nightmare. I already told my parents that I lost money, but I didn't tell them I lost all of it. If anyone knows how I can recover mentally or financially, please help me. Because honestly, I'm tired of life. A few days ago, I even created a drawing book called Draw My Kappa, where I drew every character by hand in MS Paint. I posted it on Twitter and tagged MrBeast, hoping he might notice and buy it to donate to kids, but he didn't see it. No sales, no earnings. Now I've made a meme coin called Frogi Coin on pump.fun. I only own around $400 worth of my own token, not enough to pump or dump. When people invest, the market cap increases, meaning their money can grow them too. If you're seeing this early and invest in it, maybe if it ever goes viral, your money could grow too. But I'm not asking anyone to invest blindly. I just want to make enough to return my parents' money. Once I do, I'll sell everything. If you feel any sympathy, you can donate through PayPal. Or if you can help me sell my drawing book or make Frogi Coin known, I'd be truly thankful.